Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, let me show you what you need to do if your phone screen blacks out. I got this phone right now. This phone was working perfectly. And right now, just black screen. So I can receive incoming calls. The phone will ring if I have an incoming calls. If that's your case, this is your video. Let me show you what you need to do. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm going to show you two different ways to fix this problem. So number one, if your phone is still on, you can receive incoming calls. So basically your phone is still ring and all that. So all you need to do is just force restart your phone. So let me show you how to do it. So you can do this on any Android phone, okay? So first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna press the volume up and power button at the same time. So you're gonna hold it down, both of them at the same time for like 15 seconds, okay? Power button and volume up, both of them. Press and hold down for 15 seconds. Let's do it. Perfect guys, when you see your phone is turning on, just release both buttons and your phone is gonna be good to go. So let's wait a couple of seconds to see this phone now is gonna be working perfectly like before. So let's just wait. But I'm sure 100%, you know, as soon you see something on the screen on your phone that is turning on, your phone should be good to go 100%. Let's just wait. Boom, as you can see, now this phone is working perfectly guys. Now, number two guys, if your phone is completely black, won't come on, it won't charge. So what you need to do is this. So you're gonna plug in your phone to charge for like 30 minutes. Even though you don't see anything on the screen, just leave it charging for that time, okay? Just plug in the charger for 30 minutes, just like that. After 30 minutes, so what you need to do, just leave your phone charging, okay? So you're gonna do the same thing basically, but in this case your phone have to be connected to the charger. So you're gonna press the volume up and power button, both of them at the same time for like 15 seconds. You know, you're gonna press and hold down for like 15 seconds the power button and volume up for like 15 seconds. You're gonna see your phone is gonna start working 100%. I do this every time I receive phones with that problem. So the phone that won't come on, won't charge, won't respond at all. So I just plug in the charger. Or first of all, I put the phone to charge for like 30 minutes. And then with the charger connected, what I do is just press and hold down the power button, volume up at the same time for like 15 seconds. It automatically restart your phone. It's like a force restart your phone. That's, you know, that's basically all. You do that and you will see your phone is gonna start working guys. And that's what you need to do. If you got any question, please let me know. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video. See you next time.